Compact laundry is the most sophisticated appliance you can buy, with all the latest Wi-Fi, steam, automatic dispensing, pod dispensing, and an array of cycles. But how about reliability? How often do these specialized machines break down, leaving you with stacks of unwashed clothes? For that, you have to be careful because you need a specialized technician to fix one. So that pile of laundry could be 4 to 8 weeks worth, if not more. So buying a reliable machine is extremely important. Reliability is a curious buzzword because most companies talking about it have no service department and use lab tests and surveys. However, you'll learn compact washer reliability based on 48,000 service calls logged by our service department just last year. While others will talk about reliable brands without documentation, these numbers are straight from our service calls. We provide free warranty service in the first year for every brand sold at Yale. To be exact, we had 48,392 service calls last year logged by 35 service technicians. So we divide service calls by sales for every brand's percentage. It is the fairest measure of initial quality and reliability between brands. However, we do not distinguish between a major or minor service call. If you need us to send a technician, it counts as a service call. Customer education phone calls and damage are not applied. At 5.63 average percent, compact laundry is way below the average appliance at 9.5%. All the 4 brands we sell are below the average. It's even probably better because 2/3 of the most common issues, leaking and the unit shaking, are installation related. Let's look at the brands. Miele has revolutionized compact laundry. The washer has an automatic dispenser for detergents and pods with steam, 2 pumps for better distribution of water and detergent, as well as the honeycomb drum designed to wash general fabrics. It also has the only automatic dispenser for compact laundry for bleach and detergent, dubbed the Twin Dose. It can hold up to 20 loads worth of detergent. Miele's heat pump dryer may be better. It's the most efficient 110 volt on the market. You can even order different fragrances for your clothes to be added to the dry cycle. Miele has the newest technology, so it does have a learning curve for installation. Beko used to be the only vented dryer before Samsung. However, Beko was one of the most reliable product lines you could buy last year in just about every product category. Their heat pump is also the least expensive option. Samsung doesn't have any reliability issues in the compact laundry, unlike the well-documented issues in their top-load washers. The laundry set features steam and a vented set. Samsung's main issue is the lack of service techs to repair. Their problem may be worse because of their explosive growth in the last few years. They also have availability issues, but then again, same could be said for most other brands. The service rate is incredible. Bosch has 3 sets of laundry. You can wash by stain type as well as the more traditional settings on their best 800 series. However, their best dryer is the lesser expensive 220 volt heat pump. It's more efficient than their more cycle-laden 800 series. For once, this video is delivering almost all good news. Every compact washer on this list is reliable and more reliable than appliances in general. However, compact washers are more technical with more features, so it is important that you figure out who can fix it before you buy one. Click the link to download our free compact laundry buying guide to learn more about the most popular brands, get answers to frequently asked questions, and learn buying strategies to save you money. Almost 1 million people have found answers in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.